Welcome my dear students. It is important lecture which is on foreign key, how to implement it. This is the previous lecture code. Copy it and create a new table. Go to console, paste it here, create the table. Hobby table is created successfully. Create new query, select database, test SQL, paste the syntax of the table, execute the query, press F5, query executed successfully. Test SQL, go to tables, right click, design, or refresh it. So, hobby table created successfully. What is the syntax of foreign key? Child table stores foreign key. Remember this point, which is very important. The foreign key table is called child table. Reference of the foreign key, which is the primary key, exists in the parent table. So in our case, here parent table is a student and child table is the hobby table. So syntax is database name, which is test SQL, and child table, which is hobby table, as I explained earlier. And relation name is std hobby fk foreign key. This is the name of the foreign key. So foreign key column is std id. This is the foreign key. Database name test SQL. Parent table name is student. Parent column name is id. On delete Cascade, on update Cascade. Remember this point, first execute the query, then insert related data into child table. If records are already existing in the child table, then you will not able to apply foreign key. So first make the relation. After making the relation, insert foreign key value which also exists in parent table, otherwise it generates the error. Execute the query. So foreign key created successfully. Select database, go to designer, and look at here. Our relationship between student and hobby table is created successfully. Now go to SQL server, remove the database name as usual. std id, okay, and now execute the query. Query executed successfully. Database diagrams. Database does not have one or more of the support objects required. So click yes. New database diagram. Add both. Close it and look at here. Represent the foreign key relation with hobby. So foreign key created successfully. So expand table, edit it, add a record in hobby table and look what happened. Because row 1 student 1 is not exist in student table, so first add record into parent table, then add record into child table. So please, because you are beginners, so press exit button, go to student table and name is Fahim. Yes, be positive. And now you can insert a record with ID 1 and hobby is ABC. Record inserted successfully. Let's suppose 3A. Again, there is no record with ID 3 in student table. So that's why here no row was updated. The data in row 2 was not committed. So press exit, exit. So you can also use restrict keyword instead of cascade. So what is the difference between cascade and restrict? The restrict, which is the default foreign key relationship property, is when you try to delete a record from the parent table and there is a record in the child table with the same ID, it will be fail. I'll explain you with practical example. Suppose delete the record from student table and look at here, there is no record in hobby table because student is deleted and its hobby automatically deleted due to cascade keyword. So you can drop relation, table name is hobby and relation name is, copy the relation name which is std hobby, execute the query, commands completed successfully. So you go to new database diagram, add tables. Now Look at here, there is no relationship between student and hobby table. So relationship is deleted. Go to hobby table, structure, click relation view, click drop link. You can use this query, clear it, execute the query. Alter table, test SQL is the database name, hobby is the table name, drop foreign key std hobby fk. Select database, go to designer, and there is no relation between student and hobby table. How to make foreign key relation by using GUI. So go to test SQL database, open hobby table, open structure of the table. There is no index. Look at here. Go to relation view, constraint name std hobby fk foreign key, on delete cascade, on update cascade, select the foreign key column, select the database, test SQL, student table, and select the primary key. Click on save button. So foreign key created successfully. Go to designer and look at here. You can drop foreign key. Click here, delete relationship. You can delete relationship by clicking here, or go to structure. You can delete indexes, or go to relation view, click drop button. You can drop foreign key by using GUI. Table structure, and same case with SQL Server. Open design hobby table. So drop the index by using drop link here. Index also deleted, foreign key deleted successfully. Right click here, select relationships, add tables and columns specification, select primary key table and select primary key, and select foreign key. You can change the name. Okay, change the relation with Cascade, close, control plus S. Click on yes button.